If you are building a beauty brand, managing one, or just thinking about where the market is going, this video is for you. I want to talk about the Pinterest trends for 2026 and more importantly how you can actually use them, like real product ideas, real content strategies. But first, why Pinterest even matters? Do you know that about 80% of Pinterest predictions actually happen? Here is the thing, Pinterest isn't like TikTok or Instagram. People aren't there to show off what they already have. On Pinterest, people are planning, dreaming about what they want to be. Stay with me because I'm going to show you which trends are usable to follow. Trend number 1. Scent stacking. The idea of one signature scent for life is over. People don't want one bottle to define them anymore. They want options. They want to mix things up, depending on their mood, the season, whether it's morning or night. There are building scent identities now. And this isn't just some weird corner of the internet. The numbers are insane. Searches for niche perfume collections are up over 500%. Perfume layering combinations up 125%. People are even searching for perfume notes, like they actually want to understand what they are smelling. That's up 80%. So what do you do with this? If you are a smaller brand, here is the good news. You don't need to launch 20 new products. Look at what you already have. Your body care, skincare, whatever has a scent, call it out. Show people how to layer it. Make it feel intentional. For bigger brands, you've got room to play here. Think fragrance wardrobes, collections that are designed to be mixed, not just worn solo. Or combine skincare with fragrance, a neutral body lotion plus a few drops of scented oils. And you have a custom fragrance. The customer can make it themselves. You could even put scent into makeup, foundations with soft vanilla, lipsticks that smell like roses, even nail polish. Why not? On social media, treat scent stacking like a hobby. Teach scent mixology. Give them recipes for a focused morning scent, something for a cozy evening at home. And if you really want to own this, build a little digital tool on your site, a scent mixer where people pick moods and get recommendations. That's the kind of thing people remember. So does this fit your brand? Think about it. Trend number 2 will cool things down. It is called Cool Blue. 2026 is about staying cool. Consumers are exhausted. The notifications, the pressure, the bad news cycle, the noise everywhere. Even mornings don't feel calm anymore. You wake up and it's already a fight just to start a day. That's where Cool Blue comes in. This isn't some random 90s throwback. This is deeper. It's like emotional refrigeration. Cool blues, icy silvers, frosty textures. They feel controlled, quiet. Putting them on is less about beauty and more about calming your nervous system before 9 a.m. And people are searching for it. Frosted makeup is up 150%. Ice blue wedding dresses or blue drinks aesthetic up 55%. Icy blue up 50%. This is a whole lifestyle shift toward calm, restraint, quiet control. And what brands can do? Cryo Beauty, cooling eyeliners, frosted eyeshadows, silver and icy blue across eyes, nails, lips. In skincare, freezing gels, cooling serums, depuffing masks. No complicated routines, just instant relief. And when you talk about it, frame it as a reset, a 30-second pause, cooling down the chaos. Visually, slow everything down. Quiet videos, glass sounds, water dripping, metal clinks. If your content feels loud or hyped up, you are completely missing the vibe. Next, let's flip the mood completely with third trend, called Gimmy Gummy. In 2026, beauty isn't just something you see, it's something you feel. People want texture, they want to press it, squish it, watch it bounce back. Why does this work? Because touch creates dopamine, and dopamine creates habits. Look at the searchers. Jelly blush up 130%, jelly candy aesthetic up 100%, gummy bear aesthetic up 50%. People care about the science of texture now. Develop stuff that bounce back in the jar. Jelly blushes. squishy highlighters, solid jelly perfumes, scented gummy balms, things you can press and mold. For bath products, create jelly cubes, sweet scents, colorful foam. Promise your customer joy in 4 seconds. On social media, make texture the star. ASMR videos, macro shots of finger pressing into product. Slow, satisfying bounces. People should feel it through the screen. Trend number 4 is called Glitchy Glam, and it is the rebellion. We are drowning in AI perfection right now. Perfect faces, perfect symmetry, perfect routines, and people are over it. Glitchy Glam is celebrating the mistakes, the smudges, the asymmetry. According to Pinterest data, avant-garde makeup searches are up 217%. Mismatched nails up 125%. Weird makeup looks up 150%. This is beauty that takes the pressure off. So beauty products should be forgiving. Create asymmetric tools, dual-ended products with mismatched shades, formulas that still look good when you messed up. Your content should be less about tutorials, more about freedom. No mirror challenges. Use a lipstick as a blush, eyeshadow on lips. Break the rules. Even your visual should feel a little broken, glitchy and raw. Make mistakes feel intentional. And trend number 5, Vamp Romantic. This isn't just dark makeup, it's bigger than that. It's the moment at the end of the day when you stop performing for everyone else and you become someone else. Pinterest data shows that gothic coffin nails searches are up 180%, dark romantic makeup up 160%, vampire beauty up 90%. This is about transition. Launch products such as day-to-night kits, smudged on purpose kohl, blood tint glosses, fragrance that smells like night, intense deep rose metallic notes. On social media, show the shift. Let people watch the transformation, day to night, light to dark. Own that emotional shift. That's the magic of vampire dark trend. Trend number 6 is about science fiction. It is called extracelestial. We are talking here about cosmic silhouettes, holographic and opalescent finishes that looks like moon dust. Extracelestial trend is where galactic glam meets biohacking. It's not just about looking good, it's about space-age longevity. Protecting your skin like you are prepping for Mars. And people are searching for this. Alien-inspired makeup up 140%. Opalescent finishes up 115%. Soft dewy makeup also up 115%. What brands can do? Keep in mind atmospheric shields. Develop serums that protect against blue light, car exhaust, recycled office air. Market it like your skin is its own ecosystem that needs protection. For hair, moon dust mists and holographic glitter sprays. Makeup, opalescent eyeshadows, holographic highlighters, multi-dimensional glow. In your content, shift the message from anti-aging to biohacking for longevity. Use science fiction visuals, moon landscape, metallic texture. Make your product look like essential gear for a galactic lifestyle. Trend number 7 finishes minimalism. It is called Lies Up. This is the romantic rebellion. It's intricate, it's maximalist, it's about more is more. We are not just talking about wearing lace, we are talking about a lace mindset, embracing complexity, detail and apologetic femininity. The data shows that lace nails searchers are up 215%, lace bandas up 150%, lace makeup up 120%. What products you can create that use this trend? For example, launch 3D manicure kits, not just stickers, actual sculpting gels with lace embedded inside, like Victorian lace trapped in glass. For lips, high shine glosses with micro shimmer that creates a lace-like pattern. On social media, focus on crafted beauty. Use taglines like "Wear the craft" or "Haute couture in beauty." Show lace layering, lace nails with lace makeup with lace hair accessories. Don't hold back, celebrate being too much. And now, let's slow down with 8th trend called Wilderkind. Wilderkind is the opposite of clinical perfection. It's mystical, it's slow beauty, it's forest magic. Butterfly-inspired art. Ingredients that feel like they were gathered during a quiet walk through a misty meadow. This trend whispers instead of roars. Pinterest data shows that dragonfly nails searches are up 145%. Animal-inspired outfits up 90%. Bag jewelry up 60%. What to create based on this trend? Use in your products rescued, recycled botanicals, antioxidant-rich floral waters from steam distillation. Make it feel like recycled luxury. Develop formulas that look raw in the bottle. Bee-face oils with dried wildflowers, but feel like silk on the skin. For bath products, wildflower forest milk bath. Slow spa-inspired rituals. Tell on social media a resurrection story. Talk about poppy petals that were too delicate for bouquets, but perfect for skin-soothing infusion. Launch a My Wild Skin Challenge. Ask people to post their unfiltered skin. No blur, no perfection, just raw, refined grace. Because nature doesn't use filters. Trend number 9 isn't exactly about beauty, but I think it's worth to be considered. Neo Deco is the return to 20s luxury. Geometry, craftsmanship, opulence. After years of minimalism, people want their stuff to feel like masterpiece. Pinterest searches shows antique bar cards up 100%, red marble bathrooms up 80%, pendant lamp up 40%. How beauty brands can use this? Create a Gatsby Glow collection, Art Deco lipsticks, Bridgerton style cosmetics, design professional grade hair accessories, heavy chrome combs, bakelite inspired finishes. Make them look like display pieces. Eyeshadows palettes, use wood, deep jewel tones, sapphires, emerald, tarnish gold. Send a message to your followers. Your life is a masterpiece. Why should your beauty products look like trash? Show products next to antique bar cards, marble countertops. Make beauty feel like interior design. Focus on the ASMR of opening metal lipstick components. This is about the art of the everyday. And last but definitely not least, 10th trend called Fun Haus. This is for the maximalist at heart, who treats their home like a playground. It is where vintage circus nostalgia meets modern camp, bold stripes, sculptural props, everything has a sense of humor. According to Pinterest data, circus interior searchers are up 130%, vintage circus aesthetic up 70%, strip sailing up 40%. So, launch a big top collection, non-regular packaging. Lipsticks shaped like juggling clubs, powder compacts shaped like circus podiums, face cream in circus tent packaging, lip balms with built-in clips, so you can attach them to your phone like a charm. Make it playful, make it bold, make it fun. Tell your fans life is a circus, be at the center of the ring. Use high saturation photography, clown core accents. On TikTok, show transition magic, a boring minimalist routine that flips into a fun house world of stripes and colors. Beauty doesn't have to be serious, it should be a show. And that's it, 10 Pinterest beauty trends for 2026. If you made it so far, you are serious about staying ahead. So tell me, which trend are you most excited about? Drop a comment, and if this helped you see trend differently, hit that like button and subscribe. There is so much more coming.